Continuing our discussion on understanding the planetary placements in different divisional charts. In this video, we will try to understand Venus's placement in the 10th house of the D9 chart or the Navamsa chart. So okay guys, before we will start our discussion on today's current topic, the two contributing elements to understand this discussion are the significance of Venus in Vedic astrology. So we will first do a revision of that. The second contributing element is the significance and the importance of the D9 chart. So we will also do a quick revision of all what we have learned about this chart so far on our this playlist, and afterwards we will continue our discussion on today's current topic. So guys, if you have to understand the significations of Venus, so Venus represents how much benefit, enjoyment, happiness you are going to derive from relationships. Like for example, if you will find strong influence of Venus on someone's natal moon, this would just indicate towards that native might have a good and discerning taste in the life. Venus's strong influence on the ascendant can make your personality very charming, very attractive, and at the same time, if you will find Venus's strong influence on the house of your finances or the houses of career, then your livelihood, your source of income could be connected to the fields of fashion, beauty, art, media. So I mean to say, Venus just tells about all those decisions which you take, which could lead you towards higher fulfillment. All those people who have strong and very benefic Venus in their chart, they know the right place of romance, the right place of luxury in their life. They always benefit from the feminine influence. You can also look at it from that ways. Now guys, if you have to understand the significations of the D9 chart, so D9 chart is a highly spiritual chart which you acquire by making a ninth division from the Rashi of your ascendant chart. The D9 chart first of all tells about your spiritual prospects, your spiritual merits, the prospects of your fortune and luck. Second thing, the D9 chart tells about the true dignity and strength and root of your planets which you have seen in your ascendant chart. Their foundation you have to validate in the same planetary placement in the D9 chart. And lastly guys, D9 chart tells about your complete matrimonial life. I just want to make things very clear over here that see, the actual manifestation of events is going to happen basis the planetary alignments in your D1 chart or the ascendant chart. By scrutinizing the planetary placements in the D9 chart, we're just trying to understand the force behind. You can also look at it from that ways. And just because we're talking about a planet which represents enjoyment, happiness, comforts, so what is going to be your source of happiness in this lifetime? So that is something which we can get to know by assessing Venus's placement in your D9 chart. Okay guys, so now continuing our discussion on today's current topic. If any point of time you will find Venus placed in the 10th house of the D9 chart, so this could be decoded in a way that, see, that's very simple. The mere placement of Venus in the 10th house of D9 chart to begin with just tells about that yes, at your work front you're definitely going to progress and excel because of your good interpersonal relationship management skills. Like let's say for example, if someone who has made his or her career in the fields of advertising, PR agencies, interior designing, decor, so these people can actually directly get benefited, because guys, you cannot even deny this fact that in today's day and age, the successful people are only those who are very resourceful, who have got good contacts. And this placement of Venus in the 10th house of your D9 chart actually helps the native in not only making good contacts but at the same time maintaining them as well. And like the way I was telling it to you, that native is definitely going to remain very lucky in very quickly becoming the center of attention. His charm is definitely going to help him fulfill his duties or progress in his career front. You can also look at it from that ways. One more advantage of this placement is that guys, see, Venus tells about our passion towards certain areas of life. So I mean to say, just because it is placed in the house of your career, so many times it has been seen that these are among those people who tend to remain very passionate towards their career, towards their chosen craft or profession. Like it will not be an exaggeration to call that they might be among those people who might be married to their career. See guys, you have to understand that at the time of doing the astrological analysis, you have to take into consideration time, era, and the profile of the person. Like I mean to say, let's say for example, if you will ask someone who is living in a small town or very conservative community in India, so that person might get judged completely on the basis of, okay, so you are 35-year-old, are you married, do you have children, do you have a secure job or career? So I mean to say that could be a parameter of success in the life of that person. But let's say for example, if the same astrological analysis you have to do in some other western part of the world, so the parameters of success varies from individual to individual. So I mean to say this particular placement, and specifically when we talk about such a highly spiritual chart like D9 chart, so its significations cannot be restricted only to marriage. So I mean to say this placement is actually going to make native very passionate towards his career. Now when I say passionate, so you have to understand the difference between Saturn and Venus. Like for example, Saturn can also makes you very dutiful, but at the same time you are on the path of fulfilling your duties, but there is no joy, there is no happiness, there is no relaxation. But when you put a planet of happiness and comforts over here, so I mean to say the whole journey of fulfilling your professional duties could be filled with lot of laughter, happiness, good interpersonal relationship management, taste of touch of comforts, luxury. You can also look at it from that ways. Now guys, if you have to understand it or decode it specifically from the marriage perspective, so this placement can be seen as a blessing in a way that Venus is actually going to make native very responsible, very dutiful towards its matrimonial duties. Like I mean to say, let's say for example, at the time of the beginning of this playlist, I already told you the Venus's placement in your chart, and specifically the D9 chart tells about how much devoted you are in the path of your matrimonial life, that no matter how much hardship, how much obstacles are coming your way, you know that the partner you are with, all those obstacles are worth enduring. I mean to say, now in a matrimonial path there could be anything. Your partner might get some disease, sickness, issues of losing a job, or alcohol related issues, some psychological problems. But let's say for example, in whose chart you will find Venus dignified and well placed in the 10th house of D9 chart, native is actually going to remain very dutiful, specifically on the scale of love. Because of driven by love, that native is actually going to remain in the relationship and fulfill all the responsibilities which might fall on the native's shoulder because of the problems which native's partner is also facing or going through. So this placement can be seen as a very blessed from that perspective. The second thing is that, see, whatsoever is going to happen in the relationship front of the native, that is actually going to get reflected very quickly and easily in native's influence or native's circle. Like I mean to say, let's say for example, if native is blessed with a very happy, with a very romantic matrimonial life or relationship, so his friends, people around him, at his workplace, everyone will be able to observe that, assess that yes, this friend is very lucky in the form of having a very blessed, having a very happy and romantic matrimonial life. But let's say in someone's case who is in a very unhappy matrimonial life, and just because for the sake of community, for the sake of society, native is not able to get away out of that relationship, so his unhappiness, his pains in the relationship would also be very easy to be read by the people around him or her. You can also look at it from that ways. So guys, at the end, if I have to summarize this placement can be seen as a very blessed to remain very dutiful in your matrimonial life. This placement can be seen as a very blessed in order to make good contacts, make good influential contacts and progress in their life because of the support of those contacts only. Native is definitely going to have and utilize his natural innate charm, elegance in his or her personality. And at the same time, let's say for example, if you will find Venus bit afflicted in the 10th house of the D9 chart, let's say for example, you will find Venus very strengthened in the earth signs like Taurus or Virgo where it gets debilitated, or Capricorn with the influence of Rahu in the 10th house of the D9 chart, then it could actually make native driven towards all those relationship, all those people who are not only successful, who could be mature, who could be successful in their career, and native just wants to get into relationship with that person in order to fulfill his like financial needs or desires of comforts or luxury. So rather than extracting the true innate the qualities of Venus, which is about unconditional love, native might goes towards fulfilling his desires through relationship. You can also look at it from that ways. But at the end, guys, this placement can be seen as a very blessed placement in order to succeed in life. So this is all which I wanted to share as a part of my inputs on this placement of Venus in the D9 chart. For further more updates and notifications on the science of astrology, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. Thank you.